Welcome back to Skyway Classics channel, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a beautiful 1922 Model T 3-door touring. And I'm gonna have Mike, the current owner of the car, speak on the history of everything.
This car was assembled in Copenhagen, Denmark. The original inspection plate is still inside the kick panel. The car was inspected 22, 23, and 69. The car then went to Umeå, Sweden, where it was restored in 69 as it sits right now. This is the original restoration from 69. The car then went to Luleå, Sweden, up by the Finland coast, top of the world. It went to São Paulo, Brazil after that. It was shipped with 2 Model A's from São Paulo, Brazil to Miami. Then the car went to Doral and Fort Lauderdale, and then in Sebring, where I found the car. And it has just been a pleasure to drive. There's a lot of neat cherries on the car that you normally don't see. The 3rd generation of turn signal lights, some original examples of the Hello Road lamps. The car has a kilometer tachometer, has a liters gas gauge, has the original brake light as required from the Copenhagen, Denmark inspections. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful old car.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
Kids love it, dogs love it, your grandparents love it. We have a lot of fun at car shows. Anytime the old timers come up and they say, we used to drive a car like this, I ask them if you remember how to drive the car, and if they say yes, we go for a ride. It's a car to be shared. It's our past automotive history, and it's a museum piece. Absolutely wonderful car.
This is beautiful. What do you say we start her up and take her for a ride?
Let's go burn some rubber.
All right, let's do it. Thanks, Mike. I'm gonna hop in the back this time, Mike.
All right.
Get a little view from here. Oh, man. This is incredible.
Don't win any road races, but it'll make everybody smile.
That's right. All right, what do you say we switch this around? We'll go get it up on the lift and we'll check out the undercarriage.
Very good.
All right, here we go up on the hoist. And just phenomenal, as we showed before. I mean, wow. This thing is a timepiece for sure. This is gorgeous. Drives well, sounds good. And this deserves to be in a museum. It really does. Wow. Well, if you have any questions, would like to speak more, come check it out, give us a call, shoot us an email, follow us on Facebook. Have a great day.